Hi guys, VST here, Tech. Thank you for watching this video and congratulations, because you're about to see the most ever unseen and not popular unboxing video. Why? Because that's the product, guys, that I want to unbox today. But before we continue with this one, I'm just gonna show you how you can subscribe to my channel. Oops. Unless of course you already closed the video, which is probably what 90% of the people will do. But anyway, if you're still here, I want to shake your hand, buddy, give you a beer, high five, just open your YouTube, just hit the subscribe button and then also hit the notification bell and click all. And every time I do videos like this, you're gonna get notified, right? Remember, you're winning. Okay, but now going back to the most unpopular and underrated, never seen unboxing video, because who that is actually a sane person will unbox a phone like this in 2020? But you know what, I don't really care. I still keep my fixed connection, guys, wherever I go. See here, I have it over, it's everywhere in my house. And it was about time I changed my old Alcatel phones, see here, okay, to this beauty here. So I bought the Alcatel T06, which is ultra compact and ultra small. I just want to unbox it for you, and maybe we don't even need to cut something, but okay, just, yeah, you know, standard, right? Let's just open it here. First ever done live. Oh, it even has a cable, man. Very nice. You know, this is, guys, what I've been really missing from all like the newer phones. I mean, Steve Jobs and all the other guys, probably was not even Steve Jobs, but Apple killed the headphone jack, so we kind of like already are running wireless, right? And I have been supporting this activity with my Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, and I do miss cables, guys, and I do miss these cables here. You see, that's professional. I mean, if you're like a real DJ and you're mixing stuff, you're gonna get this professional cable. It looks like this. All right, very good. So cable included here. By the way, this phone can apparently be also mounted on the wall, right? So we have here somewhere the English explanation. It has a very nice feature to read out the last numbers. Oops. So imagine how crazy is this, guys. You can call somebody, don't touch the phone, you forgot to say something, boom, a last number redial, and ringtone volume control, and then of course tone and pulse dialing. I mean, how many of you really were born when we used pulse dialing? Because, you know, I started using internet when we had the pulse dialing, and I don't want to brag, I'm like already like more than 20 years around in the internet, even more. Maybe I'm just an old person. Well, mountable, very nice. I know I just have actually cut. Oh my god. You know, I'm even not going to cut this video because nobody will ever see it. So it's just gonna be me, you know, and my 3 relatives. So what I'm saying is that I don't have too much space, and that's why I needed kind of really like a phone, you know, with that size. But okay, just forget about this and let's just unbox this beauty here. Very nice, sturdy design. We have here a switch that you can go, you know, from tone to pulse, which is very nice. Of course, default setting is tone. Alcatel, man, it's a classic. And then ringtone. I mean, you see, this is what I miss now in modern smartphones, guys. Very simplistic design. You have the keypad here. I mean, you know, here you hear, here you speak, and you see the plus and minus. I mean, design-wise, I'm very impressed. And you just have 2 buttons. Tone control, pulse control, right? And then you have the ring volume here, you know, high, low, perfect. And then this is kind of like the holder, right? And I didn't want, a lot of people will ask if, of course, anybody besides me and my 2 relatives will be here in this video, why didn't I buy like a modern phone with like a dock station? Because the docking station also requires additional power supply, and I don't want to use another outlet. I just want to use this one here, because this is just powered to this cable, all right? So here you have it. You know, you plug it somewhere. Well, okay, you plug it here. You hold a phone like this. Very smart, very portable. And okay, here, I mean, it's probably not worth reading it. Anyway, I'm a big fan of Alcatel, guys. And again, if you really made it up so far, then probably you are one of my biggest fans. Let me know, send me an email and I send you something, guys. Or at least send you congratulations. With that said, I hope you have a nice rest of the day. VST over and bye.